what I will do now is I'm only going to grab from here down. I'm only going to grab between these lines. Okay, so I'm going to basically grab between A9 and A50. I'm going to select that. Okay, I'm going to hit print. Okay, you're going to see I don't want to print the current sheet. I am going to print the selected cells. Okay, so those are my selected cells. I'm going to print it on letter size. I'm going to go portrait, and I'm going to make sure it says fit to page. Okay, so I've got all this done and ready to go. I'm going to go next. And I'm not going to print it on my hard paper. I'm going to print it to a PDF. Okay, so this is going to now save it as a PDF. And I'm going to put this in my folder. Okay, I'm going to go to Google Drive. I'm going to go to my drive. I'm going to put this into my folder where I keep all my stuff for this assignment. 510. I'm going to keep student Google Docs. I'm going to keep it in the C. Gibbs Google Docs. I'm going to go to PDF of USALI Memo. Income statement. Okay, I'm going to save that. Okay. So that is now sitting there as a PDF. And if I go open up my Google Drive and I want to look at that as a PDF, okay, I'm going to go back to my drive. I'm going to go through all all my different things here. I'm going to go to real estate. I'm going to go to my student Google Drives. I'm going to go to Chris Gibbs, my Google Drive. I'm going to go PDF and view salary statement. You'll see that it's really clean looking, professional. It's not complete, so I don't get full marks at all. But, you can see that it looks really, really good. Now I want to input that into one of my statements. So I can either merge that in as a PDF, or I can convert the PDF to a JPEG. All right. So how do I convert to PDF to a JPEG? I'm going to go and I'm going to say convert PDF to JPEG. I'm just going to Google it. And what it tells me is Adobe, which is the people that make PDFs, have a free PDF to JPEG converter. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to select my file. Okay, I've got to find that file again. So I'm going to go to my computer. I'm going to add my file. I got to go back to my Google Drive. All these things that I'm doing. I got to go back and find that same one. Student Google Drive, C. Gibbs, Google Drive, PDF to USALI income statement. Okay, there it is. I've done it. Image quality. I want to do an image quality really high quality. Okay, and I'm going to convert to JPEG. So it's going to take some time because I've asked it to be high quality. Okay. It says my file is ready. Now I want to download it. Okay. I go here. Oh, where did it go? There we go. All right. So my PDF to income statement is sitting there. I've found I've transferred it. I'm just gonna I'm gonna go to properties and rename this. I'm gonna say my it's a JPEG. I'm gonna save it as income. It's not letting me change the name of it. Okay. I will click OK. I'm just going to put this into my downloads folder for now. Okay. I'm going to put that I'm going to transfer that to my downloads folder. Okay. Copy to downloads. Okay. I've copied this to my downloads folder. I'm just going to go to my Google Drive. I'm going to go new. I'm going to go file upload. I'm going to go to my downloads folder because it's sitting there. And there it is there. It's uploading the item right now. And now if I wanted to put that in a document, here's what it would look like. Okay. I would basically, let's say I'm opening a document, and I go insert, image, upload from computer. I'm going to go to my Google Drive again. I'm going to go all the way back to all my... You guys will probably be faster at this because I have so many different Google Drives. Student Google Drive, C. Gibbs, right? And here's my file. Open. There you go. Boom. A really, really professional looking income statement that came directly from my Google Sheet into a PDF, and PDF converted to a JPEG, JPEG inserted into a document. That's about all you need to know right now. I wish you all the best of luck completing your memo. If you have questions, don't hesitate to email cgibbs@torontomu.ca. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.